Here is your watch we're gonna video today. It's I guess it's a smartwatch. It's Star Wars, the Mandalorian, the child. It has all kinds of games, touch screens, videos, timers, download music, sporting games, all kinds of stuff. We'll open it, show you how to use it. Okay, howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Here's the watch we're going to show you today. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Okay. There's your instruction manual and your charging cable. Here's the watch. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Unfasten the band and see if it'll come out. Yeah, it comes right out. Look at there. Alright. Now it says it has 26 games in it. It has selfie filters, videos. It has a camera. Tells you calories. Has a stopwatch, a timer. Download music. Analog, digital display, alarm, all kinds of stuff. There it is. That's young Yoda. Alright. So you got to charge it here. It says charge for 30 to 60 minutes before first use. Notice screen may be blank while charging for 30 minutes, okay? Now it says you can use a battery charger like you use on your phone, or you hook it up to the PC. Right here on the side it says USB, right there. Let's open that up. Okay, there's your cable. Goes in one way, okay? Don't try to force it in the wrong way, okay? Plugged in like that. Go plug this into your PC or charger for your phone, whatever. Let it go for an hour. It says an hour the first time, so I don't know if it'll take an hour after that or not, but we'll put it on the charger and show you how to use it. Alright, we got it charged now. Take off little Yoda right there. Right here is your power button on the side. Push and hold it and it'll turn it on. See there? Star Wars, little Yoda. Alright. Alright, press that power button once. That's the menu. See there? Hold down on the center right there and you can change the watch faces. Look at that. Hold down on it for just a second or two. See it changing? Alright. Now if you'll swipe it, there's your main menu, okay? Let's move. Let's go over here to settings, okay? Settings right there. We can change the wallpaper, okay? Just click on it. Image 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what they look like. There's image 1. Image 2. Let's just take image 1. What do you say? Okay? Done. Let's set the time and date and all, okay? Go to the menu. Go to settings. See those arrows on the side there? They change between things. So on the date, click on the word set. Okay, see that where it says set? What you want in the center is the date. The month, click on it till it changes. The date, click on it. The year, click on it, okay? And hit the thing. Now go over here to your time, hit set. What you want to do is click on the hour in the center there is where you want it. That's the actual time. Then you click on the minutes and the AM, PM. You get it? Click that little check mark. And there you are. It's 10:56 p.m. 3/23/2023. Alright? Okay, the box says there's 26 games on here, so let's see what we can find. slide your finger across there and get to the menu. Okay, right there where it says games. See it right there? Ding. Click on that. Now you see the arrows there? Show you the different games. Okay, I'm not going to open the games, but that's them right there. Okay, if you want to go back right there. Alright, there's your games. Alright, camera. Slide your finger across. See right there on the camera? Click on the camera. Oh look, there's me. Hi. You can add things to the camera. See there? Alright, well, there's your camera. Snap a picture. No files, that's to look at. Right there, took a picture. Now if I go back over here, there's me. Alright, there's your camera. Now the video, right here where it says videos. Alright, there's me. Start taking your video right there. See it counting down? See it counting? Alright, hit the stop. Alright, let's get back in there. There's a video. Options and stuff, alright. Back to your front. There's your video. Alright, menu. Viewer right there. So that shows you the videos and things we've taken, okay? Alright, over here want music right there. Well, I don't have any music in there, but you can download music using the USB plug-in. Put it on here and you can play the music, alright? There's an audio recorder on here also. Let's see, where is it? Recorder right there. Alright, hit that REC right there and it'll start recording. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit it again, it saved it. Let's play it. Doesn't sound very good, but it works. Alright. Alright, pedometer. Right there. Click on that. If you click on the bottom one, you can change your goal. That'll subtract from it. That'll add to how many steps you get when you get to where you want. Click that. Now you're ready to go. It'll count your steps. There is a timer in here. So you want to time how long you're running or walking or playing a game, whatever. Right there it says timer. Okay? You can go up here and say, the middle one's what you're going to go. Okay, so if you want to change it, minutes right there. Change hours right there. When you're through, hit the plus. There you go. And it starts counting down. You can pause it. Restart it. You can reset it. And there's your timer. There is a calculator in here also. Let me see if I can find that calculator. Right there. The little keypad right there is your calculator. You can add, subtract, multiply, whatever you want to do. Okay? There is a calendar in here also. So you want to check the day of the month and all. Click the calendar right there. It says March of 2023. Today is the 25th. See right there? Where it's highlighted? Alright. Alright, there's a memo in here. You can send yourself memos and keep phone numbers, names, and addresses. Right now it's empty. Click on add. Click right in there. Okay, and that'll let you do whatever you want, okay? When you're through, you get an option. You can say view, add, edit. There's a save in there also. And that'll get you memos, okay? Now you can go into your settings mode here. You can set the wallpaper. I showed you that. Set the time, the date, the time, storage, brightness, you can get brighter. Or now you can go over here. There's your volume. Touch screen sounds. Distance in miles, these units. You can change miles or metric, whatever. Alright. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.